G'day viewers, well this plate's pretty much well done now. I've got some new aftermarket locally made legs to this pump because the original ones are pretty much rooted. They weren't very good, so these ones are much better. We changed the oil, new seals, all new diaphragms. We've got to run it a bit and top the oil up to the right level, that top level there on the glass. All that leather needs now is the gearbox has just been put back together. Just got to fill it with oil. You've seen that side glass there. I think we're going to have to overfill this to compensate for the wear in that shaft, which I think either there's another shaft or that shaft is repaired. That's how the fan goes back together, and the clutch sits in the centre there. Got a new centrepiece, all new clutch. Didn't have any parts for the other one, so that's all fixed. You can see the fan doesn't move. So centrifugal clutch. Sounds a lot better than what it did before, a lot healthier. This is this should work quite well now. Oh, cute. Hey, cat. Good on, cat. Bit tired, eh? Yeah, bit tired, eh? Cat been sitting there all day, haven't you? G'day viewers, I just got this in the mail today. Packed quite well too. Ta-da! Sangamo Schlumberger SPA01. 1 metre. It's actually a lot smaller and more robust than I originally thought it would have been. It's a comparison to the BAZ. The BAZ is actually bigger than the SPA01. I originally thought overall it would be the same size as the STM email. But as you can see, I could probably stick it up there along with the BAZ if I wanted to, as a check meter. They even threw in some photo paper. That was kind of interesting. Sweeten the deal, I suppose. Let's pull the terminal cover off and see if all the terminal screws are intact. I think they probably are. It actually does not have any anti-tamper seals on it. It's been pulled apart before and zeroed off. So this has actually been tested. That's what the reading's on it now. Alright, let's wire it up and give it a test. Okay viewers, one thing you want to note, you got to be careful when you're working with these terminal screws, these terminal blocks, because they're actually not moulded into the Bakelite, and it actually flexes all in the connections in here, so you got to be careful with these. They're not made as good as the old model before, the S200.31 and all that. This is a 10 amp plug. I'm assuming this is a 10 amp cord, and it's a 0.5mm squared cable. It's pretty bloody weak. There's no way you can pull 10 amps through that. Made by, there you go, 0.5mm squared. Made by Ningbo Kyopu Electric Co Limited. And it's got a Yun brand plug top. This is only going to be for test purposes. I'm going to wire up a smiley socket to the this meter. Goes along with it quite well. Got some proper copper here. We're going to wire it up and give it a test. Okay, viewers, it's all wired up. Let's put a load in it and see what happens. Put something quiet on so I can hit a little wheels that go click, click, click in advance. So I'll plug this in. Power on. One, two. Yep, that's about the speed of the BAZ. 800 volts per kilowatt hour, 800 pulses per kilowatt hour. Seems to be in sync. Click. Awesome. Awesome. Alright. Unplug safety first. And they're going to mount it to a board. Alright, let's do a Let's do a size comparison here. Bloody wheels falling off that cheap ass thing. Let's do a size comparison. Okay, viewers, here's a Lennox and Gaia E350 smart meter. Side by side comparison there. You can see, yeah, the smart meter is considerably larger and bulkier than this little SPA01. And this is pretty much a bloody tissue box in terms of the light, the weight, and its build quality. This is like a brick compared to that in terms of quality and how robust it is. There's a all Baker light. That's actually a glass front. So there you go. Very big difference in size. So thanks for watching.